Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm bringing you a recipe that's guaranteed to make your taste buds dance. Keto garlic butter steak bites. This dish is quick, flavorful, and the perfect way to enjoy a restaurant-quality meal right at home. Plus, it's completely keto-friendly, so you can indulge without breaking your diet. Let's get started. First, let's go over the ingredients you'll need. 1 pound of sirloin steak or ribeye cut into bite-sized cubes. Make sure you choose a high-quality cut for the best flavor and tenderness. 2 tablespoons of olive oil or avocado oil, perfect for searing the steak. 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. This will give our steak bites that rich, creamy garlic flavor. 4 garlic cloves, minced. Fresh garlic is key for that bold, aromatic kick. 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley, finely chopped, for garnish. And finally, salt and black pepper to taste. Now that we've got everything ready, let's move on to the cooking process. Step 1. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You want the pan nice and hot before you add the steak. This will give us that golden, crispy sear. Step 2. Once the oil is shimmering, add your steak cubes in a single layer. Don't overcrowd the pan, or you won't get that beautiful crust. Season the steak with salt and black pepper. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on one side without moving it. Flip the pieces and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how well done you like your steak. Once done, remove the steak bites from the pan and set them aside. Step 3. In the same skillet, lower the heat to medium and add the 4 tablespoons of butter. Let it melt completely before adding the minced garlic. Stir the garlic around for about 30 seconds to 1 minute until it's fragrant but not burnt. Step 4. Return the steak bites to the skillet, tossing them in the garlic butter to coat them evenly. This is where all the magic happens. The butter and garlic infuse the steak with an irresistible flavor. Step 5. Sprinkle the chopped parsley over the steak bites for a pop of freshness and color. Give it one final toss and you're done. Now you've got yourself the most mouth-watering keto garlic butter steak bites, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and packed with flavor. Serve it with a side of steamed broccoli, roasted asparagus, or even cauliflower mash for the ultimate keto-friendly meal. Before you dig in, don't forget to check out the description box below for a special link to get even more amazing keto recipes and deals on high-quality keto products. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on delicious keto content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay keto, and enjoy every bite.